Hi guys. Hi guys. Listen, I have I have two Listen guys, I have two people to thank in this one, okay? I'd like to thank Chimpfinger Entertainment for subscribing to me. And then more importantly, I'd like to thank Canary Inacoalmine. He's the genius behind the popular video Gangnam Style, and he's actually been trying to get my parody of that epic gamer style removed from the internet. And I have a special message to Canary Inacoalmine. I'd like to beg you, please let me keep it up, okay? It's the only reason why I really wake up, so I can listen to myself sing epic gamer style. If you don't let me keep it up, I'm afraid I'm not going to be able to afford to keep my YouTube channel running, as you now have to pay YouTube to have a YouTube channel where you post videos. It's actually $1,000 a month now, just so they can make a profit, you know. So that's the only source of revenue on my channel, pretty much. So if you could find it in your heart, man, please. I'm literally begging you.